Good morning, dear teachers, parents, and my dear students. This is Father Francis Madavaran CMI, the Assistant Director of Rajagiri Business School and Rajagiri College of Social Sciences, Valley Campus, Kakinadu. I am very happy and pleased to introduce and invite all of you to a novel program called Rajagiri LaunchUp. LaunchUp is a 3-week online entrepreneur workshop for teenagers. LaunchUp goes in line with United Nations Envision 2030 to support Sustainable Development Goal 8, decent work and economic growth. LaunchUp is a 3-week fun-filled online entrepreneur workshop exclusively for students of grade 9 to 12. The program is offered by Rajagiri Business School, Kochi, in association with Rajagiri College of Social Sciences, Autonomous, and Rajagiri School of Engineering and Technology, Kochi. The very objective of LaunchUp is to provide a comprehensive training and mentorship to teenagers in launching a real-time startup. The pedagogy of LaunchUp consists of input session from experts, industry interaction, panel discussion, student presentation, brainstorming, and simulation exercises. If you look at some of the top companies like Google, Facebook, FedEx, Snapchat, and Time magazine, you can see one common thing. All these companies were founded by students during their student life. It is very marvelous. A recent survey conducted in United Kingdom says most of the students, especially the college-going students, want to become a founder of their own company rather than being an employee in a multinational company. See a change in the trend. Almost all governments, including Government of India, universities, industry bodies vehemently promote startup culture along with secondary and graduate education in the country. If you visit leading schools in countries like Finland, China, Canada, Germany, USA, you come across lots of student startups led by student CEOs and student board members. This is quite interesting. In a recent CEO roundtable, many CEOs commented that India is lagging way behind in innovation and entrepreneurship, and one of the reasons they identified that we do not have an entrepreneur training and support program at school level in the country. That sounds very alarming. In this context, I consider LaunchUp is a need of the hour, and institutions like Rajagiri Business School and Rajagiri Christu Jayanthi Public School have a greater role to cultivate a startup culture at school level across Kerala. Therefore, I humbly request all students, teachers, and parents to consider this initiative very, very seriously. We hope and pray that all the participants will effectively utilize this great opportunity and will create some success stories in their entrepreneurial journey. I thank the Rajagiri Christu Jayanthi Public School and Rajagiri Group of Institutions Management and the team LaunchUp for bringing up this brilliant idea to transform the younger generation. Once again, I wish all the best and thank you. I remain.